welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new here. I'm Deanna. Today I'm going to be doing a palette bingo where I'm going to have a little spin the wheel, pick out which palette I'm going to use, and then I'm going to use a number generator to pick shadows from that palette and then put them on my face. So that's what we're doing today, a palette bingo. Let's get to it, y'all. Alrighty, so I've got my wheel here. I'm going to go ahead and spin the wheel, hopefully. And then this is what eyeshadow palette we're going to use for today. My Hello Charmer palette. Oh, this is such a cute palette. This is like my first video. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, so let me go ahead and get to the number generator. Alrighty, so this palette does have 12 shades. So this is gonna be 1 through 6 and then 7 through 12 right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and put in the number generator 1 through 12. Okay, so I did put it 1 through 12, and then I'm gonna go ahead and generate 5 numbers. Our first number is 5, 11, 2, 7, 5, 11, 2, 7, 4. So now I'm going to go ahead and swatch what I'm using so I don't forget. So number 5 would be this spoiler right here. And then number 11 is this pop-up. And then we have number 2, which is this charmer. And then I'm going to swatch these. The next number was number 7 and number 4. So number 7 is called Unboxing, which is kind of like this brick red color. And then number 4 is Exclusive, which is this little brown shimmer. Then I'll swatch these right here. This is my little color story that I'm using for today. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes and I'll be right back. Alrighty, so I'm back from priming my eyes and I'm a little scared. I'm a little nervous. What if it comes out ugly? Do y'all wanna see the uglies? Do y'all wanna see only the goods? I need to know. Okay, let's go ahead and get to this, guys. I'm nervous. Alright, so I'm gonna go into unboxing right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and just put this in my crease. Oh man, I forgot these are super pigmented. That's not a bad thing. I should have just gone a little more light-handed, but that's okay. I'm gonna put this on my outer V. So I'm just really just going back and forth into my crease and doing light little swirls to start buffing it out and diffusing it. I find that doing the little swirls is a way better source of blending than to just go back and forth. And then I'm just gonna pack this a little bit more on. And I'm almost taking it just a little under here, but not too much, just a little bit. Just so that there's some slight overlap. And then I'm just kind of slowly doing little circles and taking it from the outside of this crease into the middle. Alrighty, I like where this is at. Let's go ahead and do the other eye. Also, let me know if you guys just want to see just one eye get done when I do my eyeshadow, instead of me doing both my eyes. Because I'm here to make this for y'all. And obviously I make it for myself as well. But I want to know what you guys like and what you guys want to see. Because I'll make it and do it. Oh my gosh, and I love trying things. I really do love trying things out. When it comes to like makeup, new techniques, new colors, new anything really. I love to try. And then I'm just gonna pack a little bit more into this outer V area and then just kind of swipe it through that crease just to give it that little bit of depth that it needs to match this one some more. And then I'm gonna blend it out again. Really to diffuse those lines. Alrighty, I think all the time, like, I think I like this, I think I like that. I do. Okay, and then just to slightly touch up this one now. A part of me really wants to put this like yellowy, this spoiler color like up in this crease, like up higher, like almost like extra blend out that red, but I'm scared for what it might do, but we're gonna do it anyway. Okay, we're just gonna take a little bit of the spoiler, and I just tapped into it twice is all I did, and I just got, it looks like a lot on here. And I'm just gonna kind of go over this and see what this does. Do I like it or not? Kind of like it actually. It's kind of just warming up those edges. I really like that it's really diffusing this unboxing up here. Just doing little swirls to mix the two together. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. And I really just kind of like stayed on the unboxing. I just kind of like layered this on top and then swirled it up and out. Okay, so next I'm going to take a little bit of the NYX Glitter Primer. I'm going to be putting this on a concealer brush. I'm not taking a whole lot, but just a little bit for my lid. And this is where I'm going to do one eye at a time, because I feel like once this dries down, you don't get the best use out of it. So we're going to just go ahead and do this eye. And I'm kind of just going to pat this all over my lid wherever I want shimmer to go. And honestly, I kind of want to treat it like a cut crease almost today. So that's what I'm going to try and go for, kind of. Make sure you get down in those near the lashes really good, and the inner corner. Okay, cool. So, and I'm going to take the same brush, and I'm going to take the back side of it though, and I'm going to start off by going into Charmer here, which is this little bluer shade here, and I'm putting that thing all over this lid. I'm gonna put it on the majority of the lid, maybe not so, like I'm not gonna put it on my inner corner, but maybe not this like little inner part of the lid here. Kind of like from here over. Well, I can already say this is coming out really well, in my opinion. And I'm just lightly tapping this into place where I want it. I don't know, I think I should do my whole lid. I'm gonna do my whole lid. And then I'm gonna take like a little precision brush, and I'm going to go into Pop Up right here. And we're gonna put that on the inner corner of my eye. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. And I'm just gonna put a little bit up here in this brow bone. And then last but not least, just to finish off the rest of the eye and finish off this last color, which is Exclusive. I was seeing if these two colors work together. They didn't mix very well together. Don't recommend. So I'm gonna take Exclusive right down here, which is this other last shimmer shade, and I'm going to put this on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to just really go back and forth with this, trying to buff it out and soften it up. I really like this look. I am going to go back into Pop Up, and I'm going to just like slightly drag it out to kind of blend in with this Exclusive just a little bit. Okay, and then I'm just going to kind of go back into this. And I didn't go back into it, I just took up the same brush, whatever was left on it, and I'm just kind of Going back and forth one last time. You can probably see this little bit of like light color through here. I'm just gonna go in back into unboxing, just a light little tap, and I'm just gonna tap that in right there. Hopefully that'll fix that little lack of color that was going there, which it looks like it did. And I'm just like lightly tapping it along in between the blue and the red, just to intensify it just a little bit. I would recommend taking a smaller brush to have more control of where you're going, but I'm just like really just trying to lightly tap it into place here and just taking my time with that. A part of me now really thinks that like a lot of these colors I used in my very first video. Check out my first video. It's cringeworthy, I think. My first videos are, honestly, they're very long in my opinion. I was awkward. I feel a little more comfortable now that I do my videos, but still sometimes I get a little awkward and quiet, but especially when I get like into it, you know, you get into the moment, you get lost. Take a little bit of the unboxing, whatever's left on this, and I'm gonna just go kind of under this exclusive, just maybe to warm it up just a little bit. Alrighty, so I'm gonna take a little bit of the glitter primer again and just put this on a little brush, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put this all over this lid. I'm just patting this on, and then make sure you get really close to your lashes and then your inner corner. Can't forget her. Now we're gonna go ahead and take the back side of that same brush and go into Charmer and place that all over. I'm just gonna add a little bit of the Charmer onto this one again. Now we're gonna go back into Pop Up over here. And then we're gonna put this on the inner corner. And then just drag it out a little bit. So inner corner here. And then we'll take a little bit of it up here onto this brow bone. We'll take that, what is this called? This is called an eye crease brush. It's from e.l.f. And this is where we're gonna go into exclusive and just tap in here and do the lower lash line. Cute. And then the same brush I used from boxing just to kind of carry this under. And then just maybe like kiss into the exclusive one last time. I think it just needs a little bit of the unboxing. And then just a little bit. Alright, and then just to blend this Pop Up and exclusive out. Okay, I'm loving this. This is so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face and I'll be right back for you guys. So this is the completed look, everyone. I hope you guys really enjoyed. I had a ton of fun today doing this. This is up close so you can see it a little better. Alrighty, so this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had a lot of fun doing this palette bingo. Let me know if you want to see more. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!